Hi everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a modern Eid Mubarak poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The document size is 1080 by 1350. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Apply a black color to the rectangle. Then go to the Object menu, Lock and Selection. Now go to the File menu, select Place. Choose your image, and click the Place button. I have this Arabic Eid Mubarak text. The link to this text and other assets is mentioned in the description of this video. Go to the Image Trace options and choose Silhouettes. Then click on the Expand button. Change its color to white for now. Place it in the center of the artboard. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a long bar rectangle here. Place the other image into the design. Right-click on this image, select Arrange, and choose Send Backward. Select both the rectangle and the text, right-click on them, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Use the Direct Selection tool to adjust it. Right-click on the Arabic text, Arrange, and bring it to the front. Then select the image and click on the Embed button. Go to the Edit menu, Edit Colors, Convert to Grayscale. Select the Rectangle tool and draw another rectangle here. Apply a gradient to the rectangle. Follow my gradient settings. Select the rectangle and the image, open the transparency panel, and click on the Make Mask button. Adjust the gradient for a better masking result. Place the golden background in the design. Right-click on it, select Arrange, and choose Send Backward. Select the Arabic text, go to the Object menu, choose Compound Path, and Make. Right-click on them and choose Make Clipping Mask. Go to the Effect menu, Stylize, and drop Shadow. Use these settings for the shadow. Go to the Ellipse tool and draw a circle here. Place the gold background. And send it backward. Right-click on them and choose Make Clipping Mask. Double-click to open isolation mode. Copy the image and place it in front. Select the Pen tool and make a selection of this area. Follow my selection process. Select the shape and image. Right-click on them and choose Make Clipping Mask. Then place the related image into the design. Convert it to a vector using the trace uptones. Follow me in that process. Select the Type tool and follow my text settings. I also have this logo, which I am placing into the design. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.